Okay, y'all. Good morning. I was about to take Lewis. Say hi, Lewis. Don't touch it. Ugh. I was about to take him to work, and I went over here. I'm so scared right now. What the hell is this? It looks like hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got the grudge in my car right now. I can't deal. Oh my god. We ain't got no gloves. Oh my god. What is happening? What is happening?
I don't know, but I got a little work.
I don't understand. What the fuck is going on? What is... It's like hair coming out of the muffler bed. It's a fucking grudge. Oh my god, dude. What is it? Don't throw up. What is it? I'm so scared. Watch it be something stupid like string. I can't. I'm panicking. What the fuck? Excuse my language. Oh my god. What the... This can't be fucking real. This can't be fucking real.
No.
What the hell? There's still a little bit in it, but what the hell is that? I'm recording it.
Why?
Because I need people to see the craziness. Alright, everybody, bye.